Muscles. We have over 600 of them. They make up between 1/3 and 1/2 of our body weight. And whether or not bodybuilding is your hobby, muscles need your constant attention because the way you treat them on a daily basis. Say you're standing in front of a door, ready to pull it open. Your brain and muscles are perfectly poised to help you achieve this goal. First, your brain sends a signal to motor neurons inside your arm. When they receive this message, they fire, causing muscles to contract and relax, which pull on the bones in your arm and generate the needed movement. But what if the door is made of solid iron? At this point, your arm muscles alone won't be. You plant your feet, while all this is happening, your muscle fibers undergo another kind of cellular change. As you expose them to stress, they experience microscopic. Since our bodies have already adapted to most everyday activities, those generally don't produce enough stress to stimulate new muscle growth.
In contrast, exposing the muscle to a high degree of tension, especially while the muscle is lengthening,
Protein in our diet preserves muscle mass by providing the building blocks for new tissue in the form of amino acids. This vital repair process mainly occurs when we're resting, especially at night while sleeping. The body responds to the demands you place on it. If you tear your muscles up, eat right, rest, and repeat, you'll create the conditions.